many people?
So far.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. So first of all, I would like to thank Amul for the opportunity and congratulate Amul for everything that they have done over the past 100 days. So we celebrated Amul, along with Amul, more than 200, 300 chefs from across the country and the world celebrated 100 days of simple homemade recipes with a lot of chefs across the world yesterday. And yeah, it was fun. I think we'll be setting up a world record, right? So yeah, congratulations, Amul. You have done a great job. I think this is one of the best thing that you can look forward to in 2020. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna make Amul recipes now. So we have Amul paneer and Amul products here. So I decided to make Apollo paneer hot dogs today, right? So this is not exactly a classic recipe, but Apollo paneer is one recipe that is very famous in Hyderabad, Telangana. I mean, it's a very good bar snack. If you go to Andhra, you will find it in many bars, local bars, and usually they do it with chicken or fish. But I'm going to make it with paneer today. So because why should all meats have all the fun, right? So we'll do it with paneer today. We'll assemble a very good hot dog with it. So I'll show you how to make Apollo paneer first, and then we will assemble a hot dog with it, right? So we'll just make a batter first. So if at all you want to know the ingredients, I'll be posting the ingredient list along with the directions on my Instagram account. Also on Amul community, you can go there, you can check the printed recipe, I mean the type recipe of the entire Apollo paneer hot dogs, and then you can just try it from there, right? So I have added 1 teaspoon of maida and 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour. I'm adding little salt, little turmeric powder, like a pinch maybe, some coriander powder, we'll mix it properly first. What I'm looking for. Some chili powder. We'll be using two types of chilies today. One is the powder and another would be the chili paste. So I have added 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mohan is behind the camera. If you have any doubts, you can check with Mohan, and then he will pose the questions to me, and I'll gladly answer your questions, right? So we are just making a mixture of refined flour, that is maida, and corn flour, and some salt, some pepper, some chili powder, and turmeric powder, right? So we'll add some water to it. No water. Once we mix it properly, we'll be adding the rest of the ingredients. So we have some ginger garlic paste. And I have a tip for you today. We are making a veg recipe, but we'll be using an egg replacement today. So the flours are mixed properly along with the powdered spices. Now I'm going to add one ingredient that lot of people do not know about it. That would be the flax seeds, right? I'm adding 1 teaspoon of flax seed to it. The reason is, normally people use this recipe for fish or chicken, but we are going to make it with paneer. When you make it with the meat, you can add egg to it, but we can't add egg to it because we are going completely vegetarian today. Even the breads are veg. So yeah, we're going to make a vegan egg, right? So what happens is, फ्लैक्स सीड्स में पानी डाल के भिगो के रखते हैं ना, तो वो अंडा की तरह बन जाता है. यू गेट दैट स्टिकीनेस, राइट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज इट बिकम्स आवर वेजिटेरियन एग. सो इफ एट ऑल यू आर हैविंग एनी रेसिपी, मतलब अगर आपको रेसिपी में अंडा यूज करना हो लेकिन आप प्योर वेजिटेरियन हो, देन यू कैन अदर, तो आप फ्लैक्स सीड यूज कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा फ्लैक्स सीड को, रॉ फ्लैक्स सीड, नॉट द रोस्टेड वन. मार्केट में रोस्टेड वाला रेसिपीज फ्लैक्स सीड्स मिलता है, वो अवॉइड करना चाहिए. आपको रॉ फ्लैक्स सीड लेके थोड़ा सा पाउडर करके पानी डाल के थोड़ा सा भिगो के रखो आप. इट विल बिकम लाइक एग, राइट. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, सो वी हैव वन बाइंडिंग एजेंट. हमको अभी बाइंडिंग एजेंट भी मिल गया है, तो वी जस्ट हैव टू मैरिनेट. विल जस्ट ऑयल को हीट कर देते हैं. मिक्सचर इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. वी जस्ट हैव टू ऐड अ कपल ऑफ मोर इंग्रेडिएंट्स, और 2-3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐड करना है. वो है जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट. क्या है ना, एक टिपिकल इंडियन एंड चाइनीज का फ्यूजन रेसिपी जैसा लगता है. बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट द रेसिपी, इट लुक्स वेरी मच लाइक इंडियन, एट द सेम टाइम इट लुक्स वेरी मच लाइक अ टिपिकल इंडो चाइनीज रेसिपी. सो द बैटर इज रेडी. थोड़ा सा टाइट रखना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट हैज टू, क्योंकि हम ऑयल में फ्राई करने वाले हैं, तो थोड़ा सा नॉट वेरी लूज, नॉट वेरी टाइट. हम पनीर को डाल देते हैं. पनीर को मैंने फिंगर्स काट के रखा. इफ एट ऑल यू वांट, यू कैन यूज क्यूब्स आल्सो. आई एम यूजिंग अमूल पनीर, एंड देन आई एम मेकिंग फिंगर्स. सो व्हेन, जब आप मिक्स कर रहे होते हैं, थोड़ा सा बी वेरी जेंटल, क्योंकि वी डोंट वांट टू ब्रेक दैट पनीर. पनीर को हम ज़्यादा मिक्स करेंगे तो टूट जाता है, तो वी डोंट वांट दैट, राइट. तो मिक्स हो गया पनीर अब. सो तेल गरम हो गया तो फ्राई कर लेंगे.
Good tips for replacing egg.
थैंक यू. या काफ़ी लोग नहीं जानते ये टिप को, बट या यू कैन एक्चुअली, यू कैन यूज इट फॉर कुकीज बना सकते हैं, केक में यूज कर सकते हैं. द टेस्ट ऑफ फ्लैक्सीड इज न्यूट्रल. इतना ज़्यादा टेस्ट नहीं होता है. आई मीन इट्स नॉट सो हार्ड दैट इट कंट्रीब्यूट्स एनी टेस्ट टू द रेसिपी. थोड़ा सा टेस्ट तो बदल जाता है, लेकिन इट्स वेरी नेग्लिजिबल, राइट. इतना ज़्यादा भी टेस्ट चेंज नहीं होता है. तो हम in some way we are going to make paneer pakoda only now. So yesterday was Culinarians Day, and I congratulate and wish all the home chefs and chefs across the world and chefs across the nation who have been participating with Amul recipes. Yesterday was a Culinarian Day. So even if you are not a professional chef, if you have been cooking at home, अगर आप घर पे भी खाना बना रहे हैं, आप culinarian बोल सकते हैं. तो I wish you all a belated Culinarians Day.
So I have a question. How much flax seeds for equal of one egg?
One egg you can use 20-25 ग्राम. तो ज़्यादा depends on your recipe also. मैं एक रेसिपी के जगह पे, एक अंडे के जगह पे 20 to 25 ग्राम यूज करता हूँ. मतलब 2 tablespoons and 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of water. पाउडर करो और 2-3, मतलब 1:1.5 पोर्शंस ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ फ्लैक्सीड पाउडर एंड वाटर. तो आपको अंडा बन जाता है वेजिटेरियन. Just mix it once again. अगर आपको फ्राइंग पसंद नहीं है don't want to fry your paneer, you can use your paneer directly as well, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा क्रिस्पीनेस मिस हो जाता है, लेकिन ज़्यादा फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता है। तो जो एक्स्ट्रा बैटर है, जस्ट मेक फ्यू क्रम्स विद इट। ये अगर वो क्रिस्पी बन जाता है ना, वी कैन ऐड, डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट इट, यू कैन जस्ट मेक फ्यू क्रम्स। व्हेन यू टॉप द हॉट डॉग विद इट, आपको बूंदी जैसा क्रिस्पीनेस विल गेट इन योर hot dog, right? Yeah. So paneer is getting fried now.
Can
It is
we-
very sorry? Yeah. Tell
One
me.
question, sir. Can we use instead of paneer tofu?
Yes. Yes. If you are a vegan, I would suggest that you go for tofu or seitan or uh, any other ingredient. You can make. See, the base we are using is paneer. It's up to you. It's up to your imagination. You can use mushrooms. You can use zucchini. You can make it with cauliflower. It depends on you, on your taste. The recipe is the same. So don't rely on the recipe completely. Always the cooking has to be done. Cooking जो है, it has to be up to your imagination. ठीक है? तो आपको पनीर पसंद नहीं है तो you can use tofu. अगर आपको मशरूम पसंद है तो you can make mushrooms. Use mushrooms. If you like broccoli, you can make it with broccoli. So if you don't like deep frying, you can just directly saute the vegetables and then go ahead with it. So it's completely up to you. So we are frying paneer now. You don't have to fry it too much because paneer का जो moisture है उसको निकालना नहीं है, हमको बस पनीर का पकोड़े बनाना है छोटे छोटे से, and then we'll toss it in a very South Indian and Chinese fusion kind of a sauce, and then we are good to go. उसके बाद हमको bread में उसको stuff करना है, right?
So I have a question. In dessert, instead of egg, we can use flaxseed.
Yes, there are few recipes you can just use flaxseed instead of egg actually.
I have a good comment, sir. Nice use of leftover batter.
Thank you. So you know, take them out once they are crispy. Crispy होने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि we are going to top it. We are adding. I'll run you through the ingredients while the paneer is getting cooked. So I have some red chili paste. Red chili paste कुछ नहीं है. You just have to चिल्लीज को भिगो के रखना है and then paste करके उसको oil में थोड़ा पकाना है, like 15-20 minutes until you lose that वो जो चिल्ली पेस्ट में जो ऑयल है वो सेपरेट हो जाना चाहिए. Once the chili paste is cooked, you can just remove it. आपको चाहिए तो उसमें गार्लिक डाल सकते हैं, जिंजर डाल सकते हैं. So it is just a regular Chinese red chili paste that people use in a lot of Chinese recipes, Indo-Chinese recipes, right? So I have salt and black pepper, थोड़ा सा हल्दी, coriander powder, दही जाता है इसमें. This is one of the main ingredients for this recipe. And then I am using golden fried onions, bell peppers, spring onions, sliced onions, क्योंकि I don't want to use chopped onion because hot dog में अच्छा बैठता है, ठीक है. तो I'm going to use garlic, chopped garlic है मेरे पास, chopped ginger, green chilies only if you want to make it a bit more spicier. आपको ज़्यादा spicy खाना अच्छा लगता है तो आप green chilies डाल सकते हैं. curry leaves, कड़ी पत्ता, थोड़ा सा सोया सॉस. अगर आपको सोया सॉस पसंद नहीं तो ये अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. coriander leaves, right? हरा धनिया. Yes, very crispy now. This is just to give a body नहीं, जो coating जो होता है ना पनीर को, अगर coating करने के बाद क्या होता है, when you toss it तो टूटता नहीं है. Just to make it a little bit more hard enough to be tossed in a sauce. सॉस में टॉस करने के लिए थोड़ा सा उसको हार्डनेस चाहिए होता है, सिर्फ उसके लिए हम फ्राई कर रहे हैं. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है तो बिल्कुल उसको ये प्रोसेस को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, राइट. So my paneer is ready now. Then the crumbs are ready. Yes, soft, crispy on the outside. Don't lose the crumbs. We can always use them for topping. So I learned this technique from Japanese tempura. जब वो टेम्प्यूरा बनाते हैं ना तो ऊपर थोड़ा सा बैटर को चिटकारा मारते हैं तो क्या होता है उससे ज़्यादा क्रिस्पीनेस मिलता है ठीक है तो आई एम यूजिंग द सेम टेक्निक हियर यू कैन ऑलवेज यूज टेक्निक्स फ्रॉम वेरियस cuisines and bring them together कोई that is the best thing about food always evolves be careful while you are handling oil oil is hot. Go to the next phase of the recipe.
Nice frying pan.
Thank you. So you can find the once the live session is over, I'll be sharing it on my Facebook page and Instagram. You can follow me there. So I go by the name Chef Sai Chand. Right. Sai Chand is the name. So yeah. So I'm going to use some oil now. We'll make a sauce very that like I said थोड़ा सा साउथ इंडियन फ्लेवर होता है थोड़ा सा चाइनीज का फ्लेवर होता है बिकॉज वी गोना ऐड सोया सॉस एंड विनेगर टू इट और यू कैन यूज लेमन जूस इफ यू डोंट लाइक विनेगर राइट थोड़ा सा ऑयल I'm using peanut oil here.
Can we store chili paste for how many days?
It depends on the recipe. अगर आप उसमें विनेगर डाल रहे हो, what temperature you are storing it at, depend करता है. You have to store any food, below 4 degrees centigrade. 5-star hotels में rule होता है कि खाना को 4 डिग्री से अंदर स्टोर करना पड़ता है. 0 to 4 is the regular temperature that we use. अगर आप if you are adding vinegar, which is an acid, to your chili paste, then it will stay long, right? Okay, going back to the recipe, we have heated some oil in a pan. I've added some sliced onions. You don't have to cook it for too long. यही स्टेज में थोड़ा जिंजर डाल देते हैं, अदरक, chopped ginger. You can use ginger garlic paste also, but I prefer ginger garlic chop क्योंकि इसका जो bite है ना रेसिपी में अच्छा लगता है. When you are having that hot dog, I would prefer that I'm biting into a ginger piece, right? So I wanted that bite of a ginger and garlic. तो वही किया मैंने, chopped ginger यूज किया, chopped garlic यूज किया मैंने. पहले प्याज डाल के थोड़ा सा भूनना है. You don't have to turn them brown or anything like any Indian recipe because चलता है. Even onions taste very good when they have the crunch. अगर आप ग्रेवी बना रहे हो तो पेस्ट करना पड़ता है तो you have to cook it completely. You don't have to cook it completely. थोड़ा सा ट्रांसलेंट बोलते हैं, मतलब थोड़ा सा 3-4 मिनट पकाना है बस, राइट? So this is done. So I'm adding bell peppers क्योंकि ये भी एक ऐसा चीज है which has crunch in it. People like the taste of capsicum, right? So capsicum आप red capsicum डाल सकते हैं, pimentos, या तो we can use green capsicum, हरा शिमला मिर्च जो है वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आई विश टू मेक द रेसिपी अ बिट स्पाइसी, तो थोड़ा सा ग्रीन चिलीज भी डाल देंगे, क्योंकि जो चिली पेस्ट का जो स्पाइसीनेस होता है वो उसका ये ग्रीन चिली से इक्वल नहीं होता है. ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट अ बिट मोर स्पाइसी, आई सजेस्ट दैट यू ऐड ग्रीन चिली. हरा मिर्च डालना अच्छा लगता है, आई मीन यू कैन यूज इट. So once it is done, so कड़ी पत्ता, थोड़ा सा कड़ी पत्ता. साथ टिपिकल साउथ इंडियन, बिकॉज ये मैंने बोला ना ये रेसिपी मैंने सीखा है विजयवाड़ा में, आंध्रा में. व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग एज अ वेटर, एक आई मीन इफ एट ऑल यू लिव्ड इन हैदराबाद, यू वुड नो द नेम ब्लू फॉक्स रेस्टोरेंट, बार एंड रेस्टोरेंट. आई वाज अ वेटर देयर व्हेन आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट. तो वो टाइम पे I used to serve this to my customers. It was one of my favorite items, so I used to suggest this to everybody, and people used to like it. It is a very famous item. ठीक है, तो या ये अभी डाल देते हैं. It gives you that color, some body to the sauce, right?
So have a comment. Very clearly commenting with the reasoning.
Sorry?
Very clearly commenting with the reasoning.
Okay. So we just have to saute the chili paste for a while. Already पका हुआ chili paste है, so you don't have to cook it for too long. So yeah, chili paste हो गया. Then let's season it for a while. Let's season it. थोड़ा सा नमक. ये जो बार एंड रेस्टोरेंट में ना अजिनोमोटो, we call it the MSG, ये सब यूज करते हैं. You don't have to use it. The taste comes from cheese anyway. ये जो आप टेस्टिंग सॉल्ट यूज करते हैं उसमें what you are going for is something called umami. That is the last taste people talk about. Many people are aware of it. Umami काफी लोग जानते हैं आजकल. But yeah, many people use that Ajinomoto or tasting salt for that particular taste. ठीक है, लेकिन वो जो टेस्ट है आपको चीज से भी मिलता है, so you can just avoid that. Okay, it's not very healthy, right? So थोड़ा सा हल्दी, क्योंकि ये रेसिपी ना it's not a very classic. Different people, different chefs make it with different ingredients, right? कुछ लोग इसको येलो कलर में बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग रेड कलर में बनाते हैं. So I like it red, right? It is very appetizing, right? So I have just added some turmeric powder and coriander powder. थोड़ा सा coriander powder डाला मैंने. तो ऑयल में ये जो पाउडर्ड स्पाइसेस है, आई प्रिफर टू कुक इट इन ऑयल, क्योंकि जल्दी पक जाता है. एंड देन ऑल्सो द फ्लेवर ऑफ ऑल द स्पाइसेस कम आउट वेल, राइट? पानी में अगर टोमेटो डालने के बाद अगर आप पकाएंगे तो उसका जो फ्लेवर है, उसको वो रॉ फ्लेवर जो वो ऐसा रह जाता है. तो इट्स बेटर टू कुक इन ऑयल स्टेज, राइट? So I have added some coriander powder, some turmeric, right? Now we'll add the main ingredient of this recipe. दही. नॉर्मली चाइनीज रेसिपीज में ये जाता नहीं है, बट ये जो रेसिपी है इज अ वेरी यूनिक रेसिपी. इसमें दूध फट जाता है, लेकिन दैट्स ओके. इनिशियली क्या होता है, और once you heat the yogurt फट जाता है, but again what happens is it actually melts and then it turns into a fat and then it blends into the sauce. The sauce है, it becomes very smooth at a later stage, right? So it is important that you cook it well. You don't want that फटा हुआ दही नहीं चाहिए सॉस में. You just have to add, you can add little water, हल्का सा. So what I'm doing is, now normally जब ये sauce बनता है, I'm adding tomato ketchup now just for some body and some color, right? Because it's a very junk food kind of a recipe, right? Tomato ketchup, मायोनेज, क्योंकि हॉट डॉग में राइट थोड़ा सा टोमेटो केचप, want it to be a bit saucy to coat the paneer, right? So now सब्जी बन गया दही और पेपर एंड अनियंस के साथ, right? So we will add some paneer to it and then toss it with some spring onions and coriander. I have some coriander. Now I'll add some coriander. Like I said in my previous video, this is my third session. So in the last two videos, I told you that I use lot of herbs. Herbs use करना बहुत पसंद है मेरे को. So I use a lot of herbs in my cooking. So if you don't like, if you prefer to use less herbs, that's okay. It's up to your choice. मुझे ये ग्रीन कलर और जो हरा धनिया का जो टेस्ट है वो पसंद है, तो मैं ज़्यादा herbs यूज़ करता हूँ हमेशा. I have added 3 herbs in it: the kari patta and spring onions, and then the coriander, right? Usually ये जो अपोलो फिश और अपोलो चिकन है वो थोड़ा सा सॉसी होता है, but I don't want it too saucy because when you are having a hot dog, you want a not so saucy kind of stuffing inside, क्योंकि when you are eating you don't want to drip on yourself and then कपड़े खराब नहीं करना है, तो काट के we will be having we'll stuff it with something dry, right? Our paneer is ready, then we'll just add the paneer. So I'm adding the paneer now, the fried paneer. So the paneer is crispy, even the top coating is crispy, right? So this is the kind of consistency we are looking at. Like इतना ज़्यादा saucy भी नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा सा coating, थोड़ा सा sauce का coating, थोड़ा सा fry का coating, batter का जो coating है वो भी चाहिए. This is the consistency we are looking at, right? थोड़ा सा coating होना चाहिए बस. It looks colorful, isn't it? This is exactly. Can they see this? Yeah. So this is the kind of consistency we want. This is the kind of coating that we want. A little coating, not too saucy, क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा saucy बनाते तो जो crispiness जो मिला है frying की वजह से वो खराब हो जाता है, and you don't want that, right? Like I said, you want, क्योंकि bread soft है, हमारा stuffing जो है वो थोड़ा सा कड़क होना चाहिए तभी अच्छा लगता है. There will always be a contrast in texture of the bread and the stuffing. अच्छा लगता है, right? So the mixture is ready now. We'll just go to the bread stage now. Now that mixture is ready, we have a couple of sauces ready. So yeah. Now we will use some Amul products. These are Amul butter. Yeah. So I'm going to use Amul butter now. So it's soft. I'm using Amul butter, pasteurized. Butter is not soft, it's okay. I'll show you how to use that as well. Keep your kitchen clean all the time. You don't want a messy kitchen. So I have whole wheat burger buns now, I mean the hot dog buns. We'll just ऐसे काट सकते हैं, doesn't matter. We're going to stuff it, right? So the burger buns are ready. So why I'm cutting it like this is I want it to toast. I want it to be toasted on a pan. क्योंकि ऐसे करने से you don't get that, right? So this has much bigger surface to be coated, right? So I prefer this way. Yeah. थोड़ा सा मक्खन pan में. Pan is not very hot. Like I said in the last videos, you don't want to add butter to the hot pan directly, but the pan is not very hot. So the chalta hai abhi. So it's not burnt. The butter is not burnt. It's just melting now. So the butter is getting melted. Now we will add the hot dog bun, and then we will take up all that butter. The bread ka jo quality hai, it absorbs all the butter that you just melted. That's okay. So yeah, you want to soak up all the butter in the pan, the hot butter, and then we will toast it. Right? When you toast it, the two things happen. One, it gets the flavor of butter, and two, the bread becomes soft. Right? Once you heat it, क्योंकि egg में क्योंकि bread में जो ingredients है, you add fat and everything, right? तो अभी जो hardness है वो पूरा बदल जाता है. It becomes very soft. We want that, right? So our next ingredient would be Amul cheese. We'll use a couple of slices. You can use one slice if you want. So I'm gonna use Amul. So it's golden brown now. So what we do is we'll make one more for the team. We'll be making two for the plating. Good butter. So while I'm soaking up the buns, I would like to thank Mr. Suresh and Abhishek from Amul to constantly giving me opportunities, to showcase the recipes. I hope you are enjoying the recipes. If you try these recipes, you just post them and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I have a Facebook page and then I have Instagram account. You can tag Chef Saichin on both the platforms, and I will share it with my followers and my team. I have a team called S Squad, so a lot of people will see how the chef's recipes are being followed. So yeah, please do that. If at all you try the recipes, please let me know. Just soaking up all the goodness of butter in this. मक्खन लगा के थोड़ा ग्रिल करने से forms a crust, forms a soft crust. Golden color का crust मिल जाता है, तो it becomes hard on the surface and then थोड़ा सा softness inside. So you want that, right? Once you have enough heat, turn the pan off. Take up all the butter, don't waste butter. Take up all the butter in the pan, and then we'll go to the next stage. This is the color that we want. We want a golden color. This is the color, right? See, this is the color that we want. Now, not sure if you can hear it, but it forms a crust, right? Like a toasted bread. हम घर पे toast बनाते हैं ना, वही color चाहिए हमको इसको, but with butter, like pav bhaji kind of color. Yes, one is ready now. What we'll do is, it is very silent this time. Last time there were many questions and yeah. So what we'll do is, we'll add the slice. So 1.5 slice per recipe, 2. Why I'm doing this is, why I'm sharing it is, you want cheese in, जो भी आप stuffing डाल रहे हो in the recipe. If you are making a sandwich or a burger or any other recipe, your every ingredient should come in every one of your bite. अगर sandwich खा रहे हो तो सिर्फ बीच में cucumber या tomato डालने से क्या होता है, edges में you won't get the stuffing, you will just bite into the bread, right? So you don't want that. You don't want that. So what we do is, we spread the stuffing across the across the recipe, right? So yeah, so now that the cheese is laid, we have butter in it. Now we will top it with so if you have saute sticks, it's even easier to hold them together. So I'm just topping the butter, the bread with some cheese, and then the stuffing that we just made, right? So ये जो mixture बना हुआ है, just top it. Then right, just topping it. Every bite of this hot dog should get all the stuffing. That is what I like, right? So stuff it properly. Trimming se use kar sakte hain. We have some ketchup now. It's a very, like I said, it's junk, right? So let's add some ketchup. Some curried mayo. This is vegetarian mayo. In my coming videos, I'll be showing how to make vegetarian mayonnaise with flax seeds. We are trying to get a recipe for that. And then I have some golden fried onions. I'm adding some onions on top. Then some spring onions. Right? Some coriander. Let's stop it. I've made two types of it today. This is my plate. So this is the hot dog that I spoke about. I'll be sharing pictures. The same. Here goes the hot dog. If you want to make it a bit more fancy, I have some microgreens here. So you can just add some microgreens. There you go, guys. This is the hot dog that I was talking about. So, or you can make it like a sandwich, like this.
Quick recap.
Sorry?
Quick recap of the recipe.
Quick recap of the recipe. It's very simple. You just have to take some paneer. What time is it, by the way?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Oh yeah. Anyway, so it's quick recap of the recipe is that you just have to make a batter with some maida and corn flour. मैदा कॉर्नफ्लोर से बैटर बनाना है, पनीर को डाल के फ्राई करना है, क्रिस्पी करना है, एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक ए सॉस. एक सॉस बनाना है प्याज, जिंजर, गार्लिक के साथ और थोड़ा सा अनियंस के साथ, एंड देन सम ग्रीन चिलीज फॉर स्पाइसीनेस, एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू ऐड सम योगर्ट, दही एंड चिली पेस्ट, एंड देन मेक ए क्विक सॉस. उसके बाद यू कैन सीजन इट विद सम चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर लीव्स, सम स्प्रिंग अनियंस एंड करी लीव्स, एंड देन एक सॉस बनाना है, उसमें फ्राई किया हुआ पनीर को डालना है, टॉस करना है, एंड बटर को हॉट डॉग बन को काट के बटर एक हॉट पैन में गरम करके टोस्ट करना है. इसके बाद चीज, अमूल चीज स्लाइसेस को अरेंज करना है. You just have to top the मिक्सर ऊपर रखना है, and then you top it with some golden fried onions, some spring onions and coriander. I've used some microgreens as well. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try it, share it, tag us when you post it on Instagram, and then I am available on Instagram as Chef Saichan. And then thank you Amul for the opportunity again. This is the third time I'm getting on your show, and then I'm loving it. I hope I'll get more opportunities like this. I hope I'd like to see you guys. I'll get to see you guys again. Thank you. This is Chef Saichan signing off.